10 Quotes about birds. It is not only fine feathers that make fine birds. No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. It is a matter of shame that in the morning the birds should be awake earlier than you. A forest bird never wants a cage. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. The sound of birds stops the noise in my mind. Soft feathers cannot make a cruel bird kind. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. Birds sing after a storm. Why shouldn't people feel as free to delight in whatever sunlight remains to them?